WhatsApp ends support for older Android phones starting January 1, 2025. WhatsApp, one of the world's most widely used messaging platforms, will no longer function on certain older Android devices as of today, January 1, 2025. The update affects phones running Android 4.4, KitKat or earlier versions of the operating system. This change impacts models from popular brands such as Samsung, Sony, LG, and Motorola. The decision to discontinue support for outdated operating systems is part of WhatsApp's regular updates to focus on newer technologies, which allow the app to introduce advanced features and maintain high security standards. Unfortunately, devices that cannot upgrade beyond Android 4.4 will no longer be compatible with the app. To avoid losing access to WhatsApp, users of affected devices should check if their phones are eligible for a software update. If no updates are available, switching to a newer device may be necessary. iPhone users, take note this change isn't exclusive to Android users. Starting May 5, 2025, WhatsApp will require iOS 15.1 or later for iPhone users. Older iPhones unable to upgrade to this version will also lose access to the app. WhatsApp frequently reviews its supported devices to ensure users enjoy improved features and enhanced security. Keeping your phone's software up to date is crucial to continue using the app without interruptions. If your device is on the list of those affected, now might be the time to consider an upgrade to stay connected.